YouTube, what is going on? Welcome back to the channel. So what we're doing today, oh, car so clean. So what we're doing today, we are headed to Jax Wax, Gastonia for their first ever meet. It is an evening meet, so we didn't have to get up super early to go to this one. So hang tight. About to go meet up with the rest of the car club. We're gonna roll in together, so I'll pick you back up when we get there. All right, stay tuned. But before we go, let's cold start the whip. So while we wait on the rest of the club to get here, I want to appreciate everyone for the support thus far on the channel. For the first time checking out, of course, like, subscribe, and comment, and all of that. And hopefully it's going to be a good meet as some people start rolling in now. Yeah, so we finally made it out here. It is packed. This parking lot is completely full. We're just walking up now. See Mustang pulling out there. So definitely really good turnout so far. Let's check out what we got out here. right, we about to head on out of here. My hands, I can't feel my hands at all. It's cold. So good cars out here. Got a little wild for a little second, but appreciate y'all tuning in to the next one. We out here.